Hello, good morning. I am here to show you my new application. It's called FoodSwiper, and I like to describe it as the Tinder of food and restaurants and eating. And it's actually a lot of fun. I just built it last week, and there, yeah, I've been a little addicted about it. Let me share my screen so you can see. Um, how it works. Because seeing is better than hearing. And so we can run our program. It says, welcome, tell me your name. And it says, hi, John, what would you like to eat? And you can type a location. Let's do my hometown of Philadelphia. You can either type in a city or a zip code. Right now, everything is pulled from the Yelp API, and so the search is very robust. But let's search for everything. You can sort by categories: Chinese, Mexican, pizza, bars, wings, dozens of categories, basically whatever Yelp accepts. It pulls from the API, and so FoodSwiper also finds that. And what it's going to do, it's making all the calls right now. It's just Tinder for restaurants. So many times when you want to eat something, you don't actually know what you want to eat. You just like, oh, maybe I'm in the mood for this. And you can decide, did that look delicious? I think I want to keep going. So I will swipe left and it'll show me something else. Ooh, Chinese food. Looks like some sort of buns. And that piqued my interest. So now I want to learn more about it. I can type right and say, I like that. And there it is. It is Ninja Bao, located at 1500 JFK Boulevard. And it has a little review for me to read, and I can see more. And I can keep swiping and until I find tacos, maybe. Let's see where that is. Buena Onda Taco Shop. And yeah, it's been highly addictive. I've swiped thousands of photos. It's like dating, but instead of that, I'm just dreaming of what to put in my mouth and and all the delicious things around. And just exploring. It's actually interesting how I thought it was just going to be an app where I find something I like and I'm done and I can learn about the restaurant. But I actually found myself exploring mindlessly a little bit, like what else is out there, trying to discover what's in my neighborhood, but also just visiting cities that I may never even visit, just to see what kind of restaurants there are. It's nice because you can just keep going, right? Like, I can look at dozens of photos in seconds. And save their restaurants. And for every time I hit something I like, actually, the restaurant is saved under my profile. So, this doesn't, you don't even have to spend a lot of time on it. You can just keep going and not even read the restaurant review. If you like the photo, you just hit that you liked it. And you don't have to sit here and read it. You can read it at the end. Just keep collecting the restaurants and the photos that you like. Let's see what else we can do. It gives you random photos right now because we're starting out. Every restaurant only has 3 photos provided. And so the pool is maybe for every search you'll have about 150 to 200 photos to swipe through. Out of 50 restaurants, but if you want more, you can always add more, and that will give you another 50 restaurants in your area. So then now you'll have 300 photos to swipe with coming from 100 restaurants. It takes a couple seconds. And yeah, it's quite addictive. I'm really excited to grow this project, to develop it, to make it web-based to make it a phone app and to keep add users and to actually put it into production and development. Anything else to add? This is taking quite a while. Something isn't working. Or maybe we just need to be patient. Let me see my code. Here it is. Oh, there it is. I'm not quite sure how to speed up the program right now, but that looks yummy. Rye bread in Fairmount. And, but that's something to work on. And like I said, we might have swiped 10 restaurants already and found something we like. And instead of having to like go back in time and figure out what we liked and didn't like, when we exit, there they are. All the restaurants that we liked in one list. And you can look up more about it. It's always saved there, and you'll know. Future features that I'm looking to add is once to have separate user profiles, you can friend other users. That way you can see who else might want to eat at the restaurant that you want to eat at. And then you can, have a little date or dinner party with some friends. I would like the ability for user generated photos and information too. Then I won't even need to use that Yelp API. I can have my own data. And yeah, I'm excited about where this is going to go. Thank you very much.